Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another hair review today, and today's wig is from Hairvivi. So I've literally just tried to install the wig and realized that I literally don't have to do much to this wig because it comes with everything I need. I don't need to use any glue, no hairspray, no gel, literally nothing. So normally when you get your lace wig, it comes with an elastic band just like this one, and as you guys can see, comes with like this kind of like a bra strap type of elastic band where you can adjust it to fit your head. Obviously this only works to make the center of the wig really secure, but then you still have to add some glue or some type of gel to lay down your sideburns. But with this wig and this new technique that Hairvivi has come out with, it's like you don't have to add any form of glue, any gel, any hairspray, because it has this bendable V-shape ear tab type of thing. So you literally just bend it to fit around your ears and you don't have to use any glue. And it also comes with this silicone tabs at the back of the wig, so it stops the wig from slipping off your head. And this is literally all you need for a glueless wig install. So I'm going to pop this wig on now so you guys can see. So all I've done so far is I've just adjusted the elastic band that comes with the wig to fit my head, and I've adjusted the straps as well to fit my head, obviously. So now I'm going to pop the wig on so you guys can see exactly what I mean. There's a spare wig cap in here so I can show you guys what I mean exactly. This is an example. So this is an example of the wig cap. You obviously just adjust the strap on the wig cap to fit your head like so. So the more you pull, the tighter the cap gets. You can just adjust this to fit your head. And then you have the straps that comes with the wig, obviously, and you have the silicone tabs at the back of the wig cap to stop this from slipping off your head. I'm going to pull the elastic band right now and just adjust that to my head, pull down the wig cap, and as you guys can see, the elastic band has obviously helped this wig cap to fit on my head properly, and it fits really secure, so I don't have to glue. If this was an actual wig, I wouldn't have to glue it down. And you can see the outline, so I'm just going to cut around this this outline that's been drawn on the wig cap so you guys can see what I mean. This is just a demonstration, so it doesn't really matter if I'm cutting the lace properly or not. I just want to show you guys the difference in having the bendable V-shaped ear tab and not having it. So you guys can see on this side it doesn't have the V-shaped ear tab, so obviously I would need to use some sort of glue or hair gel to like glue down the ear tabs. But then this side obviously stays down because it has this this V-shaped ear tab thing on the wig cap. So that is basically the difference in their new wigs now. So you guys can see that it literally makes the wig so secure on your head. Like, this is not going anywhere and this is staying down. I don't have to use any form of glue. It's literally staying down. You have the silicone tabs at the back of the wig cap as well. I'm not sure if you guys can see, and that would obviously just help the wig to stay exactly where I've placed it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and install the wig that I got today, and then yeah. So I've got the wig on now. You guys can see it's literally so secured on my head, and I haven't even cut the lace yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. And obviously, as usual, you guys can see how good this lace is. Like, it's literally so thin. Okay, so guys, I'm done installing this wig. My makeup is done. I'm all ready, and I'm just so impressed with this wig. I just love the fact that I didn't even have to glue this wig down. Like, guys, this wig is all the way glueless, as you can see. Like, it's literally glueless, and when it comes to the sides as well, like, it's literally glueless. So I don't have to worry about the fact that maybe if the wind blows, my lace is going to lift or anything like that, but because of the new V-shape ear tab that they have now. So I think this new V-shaped ear tab really makes a lot of sense, because it literally took me 5 minutes to install this wig, literally no longer than 5 minutes, and the fact that it's glueless as well, it just makes too much sense. So like I said, this wig is from Hairvivi, and I'm working with their iris wig today, so I'm going to make sure to list all the links that you guys need to know down below in the description box, so please make sure you check below, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.